Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 6 of me trying to complete my CAT syllabus in just 45 days. Today's day started pretty early and on a productive note. The very first thing I did today was to sit for a long CFA study session. I'm still on the first chapter of the first subject, equity investments. It's quite lengthy, but slowly I'm making progress. After that, I moved to my co-working space and the first task there was jotting down my targets for the day. Second study slot was dedicated to DILR. LR to be more specific. I started with numbers and arrangements. By around 1:15 pm, it was time for a quick coffee break, and post that I continued with DI. Today in DI, I studied bar charts. Post lunch, I shifted my focus to VARC. I'm picking up VARC after the long break, so thought to first revise Module 2 of VARC 1000. For VARC, I'm just following VARC 1000. I personally like the teaching style of Jejo sir a lot. I was doing that while working on a few orders. Finally, it's time for the last study slot. I picked up QA in that. I solved around 25 questions of ratios and proportions from Rodha's course booklet. See you all tomorrow for day 7 of this journey.